Assalamu alaikum. This is Sarah here, your international public speaking expert here today. I'm going to teach you all how to overcome shyness. Mark my words, this video is going to be very helpful. It is going to transform your child, yourself, in fact, for that matter. So, this technique that I'm going to teach you is going to be helpful for your entire life. It's going to be a lifelong lesson because many of us we all want our child to speak in a confident way, and even ourselves, like especially when they go on stage to perform, they have this shyness. Now, how to overcome this shyness is what I'm going to teach, those techniques. So please don't skip the video. If you are going to skip, you're going to miss those techniques, and you'll not learn how to teach your children to be bold enough to face the crowd. So, yes, we all know first what we'll have to do is this is what I teach my students across the globe, that if they want to learn how to overcome shyness, first they'll have to understand what is shyness. Shyness is nothing but it is a state of mind and it can be changed. Very simple. I'm making it very simple for you all to understand, for you all to make sure that you teach your children how to overcome shyness. Shyness is a state of mind and it can be changed. And now, the other important thing that you will have to understand is that now this shyness, no one was born with shyness. No one was born as a shy person. Right from the day when we were there in our cradle, no one was born as a shy person. So it is just a state of mind and it can be changed. So when a person understands this, when a child understands this, it becomes very easy for the child or any person to change their personality, to transform their personality. So now that we have learned what is shyness, the next thing we'll have to make the child understand or ourselves understand that now this shyness can be changed. But how? Very simple technique. Now we'll have to understand when we feel shy, there's a negative vibe around us. There's negativity happening inside our body and brain. Now we'll have to understand when a person feels shy, there are many questions popping up. Yes, it just comes from his mind. And now these questions are something which are negative. Right? I repeat that when a person is feeling shy, there are many questions which are negative and it's just popping up from his mind. Now, who is going to answer these questions is your subconscious. Who is going to answer is your subconscious area, which is going to answer those questions that are just popping up from your mind. So when the questions are negative, the answers are also negative. The answers are also negative. So the mind questions and the subconscious answers you. So tell your child, like there are various parts in your brain and this area will question you and this area answers in a negative way. Now you'll have to make your child realize that if you can change the question, you can also change the answer. So it's like focusing from problem to solution. You're moving forward from problem to solution. Now, even that's very simple. So, what happens when you feel shy? As I told you, your mind starts questioning all those negative questions. Am I looking good? Am I looking like a fool? Am I not speaking well? These kind of negative questions starts coming. I think I'm looking like fool. Um, do I look like fool? Do I really I'm looking dull today? My dress is not proper. So these questions starts coming up. So the subconscious in turn returns saying, yes, you're looking like a fool. Your dress is not proper. Her skin is flawless, but you're looking bad. You're not looking beautiful. So now we'll have to train our brain to make sure the brain starts questioning in a positive way. Now, how can we do that? It's very simple. You'll have to train your brain saying that. Now that a person knows, a child knows the child is not confident, the child has to train the brain to ask positive questions like, okay, I'm not speaking in a confident way. Now, how can I develop myself? How can I make myself a confident person? Now, this is a पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चंस. सो हमारे दिमाग को हमें ऐसा ट्रेन करना होगा ताकि हम जो है पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चंस पूछे और पॉजिटिव आंसर्स मिले. So that is when your subconscious will answer saying that you'll have to practice more, you are looking good, you are the best. So this way you focus from problem to solution. So this is how there can also be some practical sessions taken in order to make the child understand how can they overcome shyness, and it's the need of the art. And we as a parent, me as a mentor, I also tell them like, see, you can feel shy for certain things, right? But not for everything. Whatever good you do, don't feel shy for it. If you're helping someone, if you want to tell it to others, if you want to create awareness, you shouldn't feel shy for it. But if you're going to cheat someone, if you are going to steal someone's things, at that time you'll have to feel shy. शर्म खाना चाहिए बुरे काम करने के लिए, लेकिन अच्छे काम करने के लिए हमें शर्म नहीं चाहिए, हमें वो शाइनेस नहीं चाहिए. We'll have to be bold enough to come in front of the people and do a good work so that others also gets motivated by the work that we are doing. So first, you'll have to make the person understand that shyness is just a state of mind and it can be changed, and no one was born as a shy person. So very first step is this. And then you need to move on, that you'll have to understand that your brain, in certain parts of the brain, there is a particular area which will start asking negative questions and it gives negative answers. Now you can also change that. Ask positive questions and get positive answers. So you are directly moving from the problem to the solution, and that makes the child happy, that makes an individual happy. Hope you have learned this technique, how to overcome shyness. Me as an international public speaking expert, my job is to transform the personality of the child or anyone for that matter. So this technique I have applied and I have been teaching my students, and wonderful, the students are learning from me and they have also understood that it can be changed. So I hope this video was really helpful. Please comment, please subscribe my channel, support, and please let me know what kind of videos you want me to make, as I have been experienced on an international platform by the grace of Allah. So may Allah bless you all. May you all find happiness and become a confident person and help others to come out of that shyness, the fear that they have. All right. It's me signing off. Your Sarah. Assalamu alaikum.